Pahiram po ng 20 minutes na inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy, and welcome to Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Basta sama-sama, best time ever. Sa lahat po ng nanonood sa ating mga live streaming channels sa Facebook at YouTube, sa lahat ng nakikinig po sa DZWB, welcome to the program. And we would like to say hello to Dr. Angelo Arroyo, ang anak po ni Manay Celia Rodriguez. Today is very special. Naitay Kapuso, please welcome the unstoppable, Mr. Pure Energy himself, the music superstar, the one and the only, Gary Valenciano. Thank you, Gary. Thank you.
Well, thank you. It's great to be here.
I know. Thank you for honoring us with your presence. Maraming salamat, Gary. Maraming salamat.
Ba't ako'y kinakabahan?
Parang hindi ka pa din paniwala. I was asking you off stage, do you have a ritual? Sabi mo nga, iba-iba every
It
concert.
changes all the time kasi it depends on what I'm feeling, you know.
Okay.
And then the ritual is, it starts with me reflecting on why is the concert happening. This is any concert, And then many times there's the intention to inspire people. At nalalaman ko minsan, Kuya Boy, na kung ano yung pinagdadaanan ng audience ko, depending on where I'm at. And then, that
I get that.
becomes my
But do you have a physical ritual? I mean, some singers do,
vocal warm-ups.
Vocal warm-ups. Some run, some jog, stretching, etc.
Sometimes I do exercise a bit, stretching lang. But
Okay.
it's usually me and I guess, the giver of the gift, where I just sit down like this, like what I'm doing now, and I'm just quiet.
Lovely.
Everybody's out, and I'm just quiet. And then, bang, game.
Mr. Pure Energy, one last time.
Yeah.
Bakit? Bakit yan ang titulo na iyong napili?
Medyo mahaba-haba ng konti yung explanation eh. Kaya imbis na ikwento ko, manood na lang kayo ng concert kasi doon ko i-explain lahat. But really, I think it's time, it's time to transition into what I believe is a higher calling with regard to the talent na naibigay sa akin. And that's really to inspire more people now more than ever before.
Tama ba ang mga nabasa ko that this is a transition, this is not a goodbye,
No.
Gary's not retiring, pero hindi mo rin masisi si Gary. You're so loved, and your fans and your followers and even music lovers were very emotional. We're very, very emotional about it because speculations were rife about, is Gary going? I mean, hindi na siya magko-concert. So, we're taking this chance to say, no, Gary is not saying goodbye. This is a transition.
Yes.
He's moving towards something.
Something.
Okay, but in some of the articles, in some of the pieces that I read, you'd like to be able to sing in smaller venues.
Well, I want to correct that.
May reaction kasi ako doon.
Oo, alam ko. Actually,
parang-
marami nag-react but it's more intimate venues.
Okay.
So, hindi yung tipong venue na 800 people, 500 people, pwede rin. But I'm open to performing. It's just that at my age, medyo mahirap i-match yung passion in my head at yung katawan,
That's
to
what I
match that.
understand.
Medyo mahirap na yun.
Yung resistance ko lang, nung narinig ko yan, parang hindi. Gary V is too big for small venues. And this is not meant to flatter you. There are those who are meant to perform. I mean, come on, Gary. Look at you. I mean, tingnan mo naman ang sarili, parang ang Bagets Angeli, and I'm not making bola. I mean, there are people who are 77, Cher is 77, Madonna is 65, Stewart is how old, Elton John.
Elton
John
Yeah.
is pushing 80, I think. Yun ang level ng discussion, di ba? Parang wag naman. So I understood how fans were reacting.
Yeah. And I understand too. Naiintindihan
Emotional,
ko
di ba?
lahat yan eh. Pero kaya nga, dun sa concert, Kuya Boy, I'm really going to explain in the most
Okay.
detailed fashion kung bakit. At sana, pag uwi ng tao, it may be sad, but it's hopeful. Kasi meron pa eh.
We're looking forward to that. That's April 26 and 27. Plus, there's an extension already on May 10.
Yes, on May 10.
Okay.
Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga nakabili na ng tickets.
Mall of Asia.
Mall of Asia Arena.
Arena, that's Pure Energy. One last time. Paulo is directing you here.
He is.
Do you always agree with each other?
No.
Who has the final say?
I do.
You-
And Paulo's the one that tells me that. He goes, Dad, I'm the director, but it's your show. people are coming to see you. So you have to tell me, are you okay with this or not? And sometimes, pao. But we never argue, ah. We never like, no, but you can't. Hindi ganon. It's always, sometimes we just laugh. Yeah, but
Okay.
I want to do this. No, but Dad, you can't. Yeah, but I want. Then we just laugh at it, and then we compromise, and then we come up with something.
April of 1984, you did your first concert. April of 2024, that's a good 40
Correct.
years.
Yes.
Okay? One word, describe that journey.
Wow. To say blessed, I think is just scratching the surface.
But that's a lovely word.
It's deep eh. Lalim talaga niyan
Oo.
eh. Miraculous is another
Ganda.
word, you know. Both those are the words I can think of now.
Ganda. Gary, people may think that it had been a smooth journey. The 40 years were tough. You had rough patches.
Yes.
And parati ko sinasabi that a lot of young people, I don't know if this is a correct reading, takot sa controversy. Sa amin, as communicators, controversy is necessary to public figures. You know, it defines your character sometimes. It gives you an excuse to be more visible. It gives you an excuse actually to define who you are, how you're able to move past them. Anong pinakamalaking kontrobersiya ang pinagdaanan?
Yung when in the beginning of my career, when my girlfriend at that time, Angeli, got pregnant. At kauumpisa pa lang, you know, and yung concert nung April 13 in 1984, that was the defining moment. Kung may tao, then I stay in Manila. Kung walang tao, aalis na ako. Pupunta na akong States or to Australia for Angeli to have Paulo, you know, her
Right.
first son. Eh, it was sold out.
It was sold
It
out.
was sold out. And I did not expect that. I expected, siguro naman may taong manunood, pero hindi ko inaakala na magkakaroon kami ng sold out concert.
That's blessed. That's miraculous.
That's miraculous.
Diba?
Kasi at that time, you know, you hear me speak a lot about God. At that time, wala. I had nothing with God at that time.
Tama.
It was more of, I'm gonna prove something to people. But he had other plans, you know.
Your advice, there are a lot of public figures, a lot of celebrities, a lot of movie stars and singers na may kinakaharap na kontrobersiya. What is your piece of advice, Gary? Did engage, walk away, run away, deny, ignore? What?
It's best to engage. Kasi hindi ko malilimutan yung press conference 2 weeks before the big concert. Lahat ng media people, including the late Ricky Lo, siya yung nagtanong, is it true? So sabi ko, yeah, it's true. May concert ako sa April 13. No, Gary. We've been hearing these things. Is it true? And I said, yeah, it's true. You face it, especially now